pretend that we know it all. We wanna pretend that we know, but that's only the farthest from the truth. Farthest, we know that we know. We wanna pretend that we know, but that's only the farthest from the truth.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for a new mock military video. Today we have the M1126 STRYKER from United States of America, an APC that I already designed in the past that you can find here somewhere, probably in the right top corner. The overall shape is still more or less the same, so you should recognize that especially here the light gray version is not so different from the previous one outside, but the inside it's completely different. So the wall structure I changed probably the 70-80% of the mock, so only the outside is still the same, because of course the original machine is the same, so the final look needs to be identical. And the wheel system is the same one I adopted on my LAV25. Again, I leave you here a link if you want to check it, because in that video I also shown you here on camera the prototype of the wheels. It's the same system, so I didn't build it again for this version. While today we will concentrate on the STRYKER, that again it's an upgrade and update of the previous version. But what else we have here in this upgrade? We have first new features, more details, it's more customizable, and now I'll show you what you can customize and change very easily, because in the package you will get more parts to change and modify something. Two different colors camo, so you can choose between the light gray version, that it's the same color I adopted before, and this dark gray one that is more similar to the original machine color, that it's military green, a color not really available. The camo is difficult to achieve with the original parts. You can still paint it if you really want a military color. And the last news, very soon I'll also share the M1128 version of the STRYKER, that is the MGS, Metal Gear Solid, no wait, mobile gun system, that will be released for free here on YouTube, a conversion tutorial that if you have the basic model here, you can change it into the M1128, the mobile gun system. I did the same thing with my previous Freccia and Centauro APC and mobile gun system. So let me know in the comments if you like this modular mock, where you have a basic model that you can customize, and now I'll show you how. Plus, you can also have a conversion kit to another machine where the base of course is the same, but for free. And finally we can check the features of the models that are of course identical, while for the mobile gun system keep watching the video because I'll show you something later. The weapons are optional, so you can remove them. Here the roof can be easily disconnected. It's connected only here and here. This way you can fastly check the inside, put some minifigures inside. We have one little hatch here on the top that you can open and see the inside. We have two hatches here on the rear, one here and one here, that again you can open and see the inside. Also here you can open this hatch and you can see the driver, and this wall section can be disconnected. You can check better the inside, where we have the V6 engine. It's a cool feature. We have another little hatch. This one can be opened, of course also on the other color. What you can do here is or open the door. We have a door, you can open it and see the inside, or you can open the wall hatch and we have a ramp. Then we have the steering wheels. As I told you before, here we have a system where they move simultaneously. And again, check the other video if you want to see the prototype, how it works in real life, that it's faster. Now we have both of them connected, but maybe you want only the remote gun. You can simply remove the other one. or maybe you don't want the remote gun and you want only the heavy machine gun, you can change, for example, the position in this direction. You can change the inclination of the weapon, so you can aim up or down. Now I'll show you also for the remote gun we have many available movements that obviously can rotate 360 degrees, or you can aim, let's see if we can do it. Thank you. The program sometimes is a little bugged. Then what else you can do? You can change the antenna's position. Why not? You can change this one here and place this one here. You have many connection points here and there. This is what you'll find in the instructions and the full kit. Fast reminder, check the caption on the video where you can find the link to get the instructions, the full kit, the set. You can find many things, playlists with my all other creations. Check the caption on the video, and this is what you get. Obviously it's the same for the other color, and these extra parts in the instructions is already explained, but what you can do here, these sides can be changed in length. You can remove one or maybe two and replace this little sub-model with one here and here. Remove one, remove two, and now it's shorter. Same thing on this other side. Maybe you don't like so many backpacks, maybe you want only 3 of them. Here you have some extra covers for them, or maybe you don't want backpacks at all, have to keep and whatnot, so you can cover this, 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 and this. But maybe you say, no, I want it a little bit shorter. Okay, you can do it. It's up to you. Fully customizable. And for this mock itself, the video review finished here, but now I can show you what you'll get with the MGS conversion. Give me some time to make the instructions, but don't worry, you get the free tutorial for it. I can give you a fast spoiler of what you'll get. Keep in mind that it's still a work in progress because I didn't finish the new roof. This is the basic model I just finished to show you, and you'll need to make just a few changes before connecting the gun. This roof will be made differently to accommodate the gun. That will be a simple roof with a hole in the middle, so that's why I can already show you how it will work. It's not a big change. Here on the floor you have 3 squares. You can remove one of them and replace it with this turntable. This will be the connection for our gun that you can see here. And also here, this connection will be made slightly different to fit this new design. Plus, another change, it's here on the rear, we have 2 doors instead of 1 door and a ramp. And you'll have the instructions starting from here, where these 2 will be modified to accommodate the new doors. Obviously the doors can be opened. These doors are present also on my LAV25, the same I told you before, so here in the right top corner there is the link if you want to check it. And so you have the doors, new roof, and of course the gun. Everything else, the main base, it's the same. Now that we are here, I can show you also how the gun works. What feature has? You have 2 hatches here on the sides, one here and one is on the other side. The whole gun can be changed in inclination, so you can aim up or down. Obviously the overall thing can rotate 360 degrees, that's why we have the turntable. Then here on the top we have this little hatch that can be opened like this. And also here on the rear we have another hatch that can be opened down. This one is for the exhaust shells, if I remember correctly. Probably some people here watching this video are more expert than me. So if you know what all these details are for, leave a comment below. I'm quite curious to know what I designed. Then here we have a little camera sensor that can be rotated 360 degrees. Chaff grenade launchers, and I think these are all the details I needed to show you. Now let me know in the comments if you like this mock, if you like the idea to have it modular with many customizations and also a free tutorial for the conversion to another model. We have many other variants. We have also an IFV with another turret, a mortar version, hospital version. We have another command and control variant. We have many variants of the Striker, so So if you like others, let me know in the comments, maybe I can make another conversion video for that variant, just like we did today with the MGS. And that's it, the video now it's finished. Again, remember to check also the caption of the video where you can find all the useful links, the playlist to the other creations. Remember to leave a thumbs up if you like this creation, and to subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. This way YouTube will hopefully remind you when I publish a new video. And I see you again next time with a new video that it's not a spoiler anymore at this point, will be the MGS free conversion tutorial. And that's it, I finished, promised. See you next time. Bye.